Right before tax time, you get a message saying your taxable income has been recalculated. Log in now to avoid penalties. It looks official, it feels urgent, and that is the whole point. In May 2026, alone Australians lodged 1,386 reports of ATO impersonation scams, according to the ATO, and one convincing fake can drain your refund and your identity. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple checklist to verify any ATO contact in under a minute. Here is why this matters more than ever. According to the ATO's December 2025 scam data update, impersonation scams are up 300% on the same period last year, and the ATO logged over 1,667 impersonation contacts in December 2025 alone. These messages now copy the ATO's branding, tone, and formatting so well that the logo tells you nothing about whether it is real. Before the steps, understand the stakes so you take this seriously. ScamWatch reports Australians lost more than $3.1 billion to scams in 2022, with $292 million lost to phishing alone, the category that includes fake MyGov login pages. Once a scammer has your TFN and MyGov login, they can lodge false returns, redirect your refund, and even target your super. So a single mistaken click can snowball into tens of thousands over several tax years. Step 1 is the habit that defeats almost every ATO scam. Instead of tapping a link, open your browser and manually type my or indeed .gov.au, sign in, then select the Australian Taxation Office Service and read your inbox and account summary. The ATO confirms that genuine messages are stored inside ATO online services and only appear after you log in yourself. So if the email or text claims a debt or refund that does not show up there, you are looking at a scam. Here is the encouraging part of the data. Across those 1,386 impersonation reports in May 2026, the ATO recorded $0 in confirmed payments that month. That tells you these scams only succeed if someone clicks and pays without checking, and the simple act of logging in directly stops the loss before it starts. Step 2 is your verification hotline. If you get a call, text, email, or social message claiming to be the ATO and demanding payment or personal details, do not engage with it directly. Hang up or ignore it, then dial 1800 08 540 from a different phone if you can, and the ATO will confirm whether the contact is genuine. Remember, scam callers often spoof local numbers and demand bank transfers or crypto, while a real ATO call may even show as no caller ID. Step 3 closes the door before scammers reach it. Log into MyGov by typing the address manually. Review your security settings, set a strong, unique password, and turn on two-step verification where it is available. Inside ATO online services, confirm your registered email, mobile number, and bank account details are all correct, because that is exactly what a scammer would try to change to redirect your refund. Step 4 makes you fast when it counts. Save report scams, ato.gov.au and the number 1800 008 540 in your phone, and bookmark ScamWatch so you can report a suspicious message within minutes. If you have already shared information or clicked, phone the ATO as soon as possible on 1800 008 540 so they can flag your account and limit the damage before it spreads across multiple tax years. To see why these steps matter, consider a modelled example for a payroll officer named Sarah. A single compromised login could mean a $4,500 fake debt payment, around $4,000 in diverted refunds over 2 years, and a $20,000 fraudulent super withdrawal before her fund freezes the account. That is roughly $2,500 over 5 years from one missed warning sign, not counting the months of stress unwinding it all. The biggest mistake is trusting the logo, because scammers now use AI to copy official branding and tone almost perfectly, so a professional layout proves nothing. The second mistake is clicking the link just to check, which can hand over your credentials instantly. The third is paying a so-called debt before verifying. And the fourth is ignoring unexpected MyGov security alerts about changes to your details, which are often the first sign your account is being targeted. Here is the single rule that cuts through every disguise. The ATO and MyGov will never send you an SMS or email with a link to access online services, and they will never ask for your sign-in credentials, TFN, or bank details in an unsolicited message. So no matter how real it looks, A login link in a text or email is a behavioural red flag that overrides the branding every time. Let's recap the 5-step check so it sticks. 1. Verify every ATO claim by logging into MyGov directly, never through a link. 2. Call 1800 08 540 before you pay or share anything. 3. Lock down your MyGov account with a strong password and 2-step verification. 4. Save your reporting path so you can act in minutes. And 5. Never trust a login link in a text or email, no matter how official it looks. If this gave you a clear plan for tax time, subscribe so the next scam wave does not catch you off guard. Next up, we break down exactly how to set up 2-step verification on MyGov in 5 minutes, step by step. Share this with someone who lodges their own return, because one quick verification habit could save them thousands this year.